Well, it is a battle for prestige, and former confidant of Mamata Banerjee, now her arch rival, BJP's Nandigram candidate, Suvendu Adhikari, is filing his nomination papers. These are live pictures on your screen just now, where Suvendu Adhikari is filing his nomination papers. He's accompanied by Union Ministers Smriti Irani, Babul Supriyo and Dharmendra Pradhan. He also held a roadshow a while ago in Nandigram's Haldia. Suvendu began his day by visiting Singha Vahini temple. His next stop was Janakinath temple, where Lord Ram and Sita idols have been kept. He offered prayers at both temples. Suvendu also visited Shahid Bari to pay homage to the people who died during Nandigram agitation way back in 2007. Speaking to India Today, Suvendu has said that Nandigram battle will be fought on the issue of development. Remember, Suvendu won Nandigram seat in the year 2016 assembly elections on the TMC ticket. He parted ways with Mamata Banerjee, left the Trinamool Congress in December last year. On the 10th of March, Mamata also visited temples before filing nomination from Nandigram. The voting for the high voltage Nandigram seat is going to take place on the 1st of April in the second of the 8 phases of polling in West Bengal. These pictures are live on your screen right now of Dharmendra Pradhan, Suvendu Adhikari, in fact, who's filing his nomination papers from Nandigram. He's been accompanied by Dharmendra Pradhan, Smriti Irani and Babul Supriyo. It's a high-profile battle in the state of West Bengal, and more so in Nandigram, where he is in fact contesting directly against his former party chief, Mamata Banerjee, and now arch rival. She has already filed her nomination from Nandigram in West Bengal, and she is contesting against Adhikari from the high-profile seat. It's Mamata versus Suvendu in the state of West Bengal and in Nandigram, where the voting for the high-voltage seat is going to take place on the 1st of April in the second of the 8 phases of polling in the state of West Bengal. Adhikari has said the Nandigram battle is going to be fought on the issue of development. Remember, he had won this seat in 2016 assembly elections on the TMC ticket. Mamata Banerjee, interestingly, chose to vacate her traditional seat, Bhawanipur, and filed her nomination from Nandigram. She's contesting directly against Suvendu Adhikari, who in fact was at one point in time her closest aide. Paulmi Saha is in Haldia and getting us more details on that story. A while ago, Paulmi, he did hold a roadshow. Suvendu Adhikari has made a couple of points and also extremely confident about winning from Nandigram. His message really is that he won Nandigram and not Mamata Banerjee. It was because of him that Nandigram scripted Mamata's victory, isn't it, in 2011?
That's right. Suvendu Adhikari, of course, has now gone into the Haldia SU office in order to file his nomination papers after, leading a very short distance roadshow that he did from his rally venue towards the SU office. And he, of course, expressed a lot of confidence while speaking to the people, the crowds of BJP party workers who had gathered over there, that he is confident of defeating the incumbent chief minister from the seat of Nandigram. He said, "Don't worry, I will defeat her." He, of course, has gone on to say that, she is someone who suddenly seems to have realized what her religion is, someone who seems to be wearing her religion on her sleeve these days. But we've not done the same. This is not how we've worked. And this is only because she's had to do this only because of the fact that she has been engaging allegedly in appeasement politics all of this time. And hence the need now to target this 70% Hindu vote bank in the state, which she does realize is a huge chunk, and a chunk which, of course, the BJP has been brewing for a very long time and is the primary constituency that the BJP targets going forward into elections. So clearly, it is a very fierce contest and a sharp exchange of words which we've been witnessing between the two candidates over the last couple of days, of course. And Suvendu Adhikari, like I said, expressing a lot of confidence earlier as well, saying that I will defeat her with a margin of at least 50,000 votes. Today as well, saying, "Don't worry," to his party workers, "I'm going to defeat her."
Yes, absolutely. And he's also interestingly using the same argument of outsider versus insider that Mamata Banerjee has been using against the BJP. He's flipping it in his favor in Nandigram. Paulmi.
That's right. He basically, in fact, even referred to it today, saying the ground is old, but the flag is new. That's the only difference. You know me very well. I don't need to introduce myself. So he is, of course, turning the narrative around, which the BJP, which I beg your pardon, the TMC had in fact, spoken of quite frequently in the run-up to these elections, continues to do so as well, which is that the BJP is a party of outsiders, and it is the Trinamool Congress, which is in fact a party of insiders, and hence the campaign slogan for the TMC, Bangla Nije Make Chai, which is Bangla wants its own daughter. Now, in Nandigram, Shubhendu Adhikari has flipped it around, and he is, of course, saying, in Nandigram, I'm the insider. I'm the one who led the agitation over here. I was the face, behind her agitation. I was the one who was her organizational strength. So it is my agitation that I led. And then, of course, I went on to think of Nandigram as well and care for Nandigram as well. I was the last legislator, the MLA from Nandigram as well. So nobody knows Nandigram better than me, and Mamta Banerjee abandoned Nandigram after it catapulted her to political stardom. So I'm the insider and she's the outsider who's now parachuted herself from Bhawanipur to Nandigram in order to woo the people of Nandigram with emotions. But he said it's not going to work at the end of the day, because the people of Nandigram know that she abandoned them after she had, of course, used them allegedly for her, for her political career.
Yes, Poulami, this move on the part of Mamta Banerjee, and just tell me what's the sense that you're getting really from the people around you. You are at Haldia, and a lot is being said about the manner in which Mamta Banerjee chose to vacate her traditional Bhawanipur seat and chose Nandigram. What's the opinion really about her not even contesting from 2 seats?
Well, basically, there are all sorts of readings as far as Mamta Banerjee's decision to contest from Nandigram only, and not from Bhawanipur this time is concerned. Obviously, initially there was some amount of confusion when she did announce her candidature from Nandigram in the month of January from a rally in Nandigram itself, where she just sort of, threw the idea at the people, saying, how about it if I contest from Nandigram? At that time, it was not clear if she would, in fact, contest from both Nandigram and Bhawanipur, which, of course, then we later reported about that she is absolutely clear. It is going to be only one seat, and that's exactly what happened a month later. She announced her candidature, and she's announced it only from the seat of Nandigram. Some see it as a sense of fear. She believes that Bhawanipur is the constituency that it is.
Poulami, I'm apologizing to you. I'm just going to, in fact, come back to you for more on that.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.